Good morning. Trouble sleeping last night? It was quite a warm one, and for some it'll be a hot day today, but not everywhere seeing the heat. Things are changing. There's a weather front bringing cloud, rain and drizzle into the northwest, and a cloudier day too for Northern Ireland as that weather front slowly trickles its way southwards. Could see some showery rain in eastern Scotland later, and there's a small chance of one or two isolated but potentially quite heavy showers over northern England and southern Scotland this afternoon too. Should get a bit brighter in western Scotland, probably a little brighter in Northern Ireland this afternoon. But for most of England and Wales, it is a fine and hot one with temperatures a little higher than yesterday, and a brighter day certainly for South Wales and southwest England compared to Monday also. And temperatures here as a result a few degrees higher, probably top temperature in and around the London area, 30 degrees in one or two places. Elsewhere, the Midlands, East Anglia getting into the mid to high 20s, and that warmth extending up towards Yorkshire as well. It's not as hot further west, but even here, I say many places a little warmer than yesterday. Not as hot too compared to yesterday for southern Scotland and Northern Ireland because there will be more cloud around, but still actually temperatures generally a touch above the average for the time of year. And still some of that rain around this evening for eastern Scotland, southern Scotland and northern England. Still the potential for one or two heavy showers to keep going into the early hours. For most though, certainly further south, a dry night and a largely clear night. Another warm one here, but cooler air is arriving to the northwest, so noticeably fresher start to Wednesday across Northern Ireland in particular. Some good spells of sunshine likely here on Wednesday as well, so a brighter day here and for western Scotland. Notice though these eastern coasts, the coast of northeast England, eastern Scotland could be quite drab tomorrow. A lot of mist and low cloud around. Still one or two showers possible as well. We may see one or two showers breaking out through the day across the mountains of Wales, northwest England, southwest Scotland, but again pretty isolated. For most places it's a dry day, hot again across the southeast, 30 Celsius likely in and around London and many other places getting into the mid-20s. A warmer day for Northern Ireland because there'll be some sunshine, a bit more sunshine compared to today, whereas it will be a cooler day on some of these North Sea coasts because there'll be mist and low cloud around here. As we go through Wednesday evening, all eyes up to the northwest because you can see here there is a weather front moving in, tied into an area of low pressure. Now, that weather front will kind of fizzle out as it moves across, bringing some rain for a time, but more importantly, it's ushering away the heat. So temperatures back much closer to average by the time we get to Friday and into the weekend. Still high pressure nearby, still a lot of fine weather around. It just won't be as humid or as hot. For more details on that, you can catch our full week ahead forecast. That's available on our main YouTube channel.